straight into oncoming traffic. There's no place for him to go there in front. Okay, we've got two Metro Police vehicles in front of us now on Victoria Road. I'm just going to do like this, then you'll see in front the taxi going into the turn lane is going to carry on straight. And they're absolutely doing nothing to the taxi. Like I said, it's two Metro Police vehicles. There's another silver vehicle that's going in the turning lane, past the yellow truck, going on straight, nothing gets done. And this Metro Police registration number is Delta Juliet 33 X-Ray Romeo Golf Papa.